How to add a payment method in Facebook Ad Manager. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Facebook Ad Manager. Now once you're done, simply tap on search. Now tap on Meta Ads Manager. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now click on Add Payment Method. Now choose your country. Now Now choose your country, select your currency, select your time zone and tap on Next. Now wait for some time. Now tap on Add Payment Method. Now choose your payment method. Now tap on Next. Now wait for some time. Now log in into your account and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.